The WSD Handa Center for Human Rights and International Justice was founded in the year 2000 by Professor David Cohen. The Handa Center is dedicated to promoting the rule of law, accountability, and human rights around the world, including in post-conflict settings, developing nations, and societies contending with difficult legacies from a historical period of oppressive rule or violent conflict. The Centre's Cambodia Programs, based in Phnom Penh, commenced in 2007 with trainings for the judges of the then nascent Extraordinary Chambers in the Courts of Cambodia, or ECCC. Monitoring, outreach, education and research are the four pillars of the Handa Centre's program today. Over the past 3 years, the Handa Centre's Cambodia team has worked in partnership with 3 local Phnom Penh universities to integrate a fair trial rights curriculum into Cambodian legal education. With the support of the East-West Centre and the Canada Fund for Local Initiatives, a university-level course called Human Rights and Criminal Justice was developed. The course includes a teaching handbook and reading materials that combine domestic practice with relevant jurisprudence from the Khmer Rouge trials. The Human Rights and Criminal Justice program specifically seeks to promote an interactive learning style, fostering greater interaction and conversation between students and teachers. Interactive learning values student participation and teamwork through group discussion and peer-to-peer support. This style of teaching helps students form their own views and understandings, which means content is learned quicker without as much need for review later. The right to a fair trial is a fundamental norm of international human rights law, essential to upholding the rule of law in a democratic society. Students learn about the sources, content and importance of the fundamental rights granted to defendants in criminal trials and effective remedies for violations of these rights. Once the course's substantive material is complete, the course's final assessment requires students to attend a criminal trial in a first-instance Cambodian court and prepare a case report critically analysing the extent to which fair trial rights were supported during the trial. In the future, the Handa Centre aims to expand the Human Rights and Criminal Justice course to all law faculties in Cambodia. More than 10 university lecturers are now trained to teach the course, and 250 students have completed the course to date. The Fair Trial Rights course will assist students to develop a range of skills relevant to work in all areas of the justice sector, ranging from human rights and advocacy work to judicial practice and lawmaking. By engaging in peer support and undertaking your own development of curriculum like this, a collegial atmosphere of scholars and professionals can provide rigorous training to a new generation of legal practitioners in Cambodia.